6:16 is the time right now. Breaking news out west. Tens of thousands of people are under evacuation orders in Los Angeles this morning due to dangerous, massive brush fires. Annie joins us now to break down what we've learned from overnight. Annie, the video and the pictures, stunning here.
Something out of a horror movie, right? California Governor Gavin Newsom has issued a state of emergency as high windstorms, also dry conditions, continue to fuel this massive wildfire in the Pacific Palisades neighborhood in Los Angeles. Firefighters are pushed to the brink trying to contain multiple fast-spreading brush fires that exploded in a matter of hours. And this video, man, look at how large this is. An untold number of homes have been destroyed at this point, and at least 30,000 residents are under evacuation orders.
The fire came right down to the road, and the fire department came up and said, "Get out of your cars now."
And with the high wind gusts, fire crews just aren't able to fly the water-dropping aircrafts that are crucial to fighting the flames. And winds are expected to weaken later today, so there's a little glimmer of hope there, which hopefully helps with the firefighting efforts. I also know that schools are shut down across the LA metro area. Nursing homes have been evacuated, and we're also told that prisons are on high alert.
Right. And also, Vice President Kamala Harris has a house about 5 miles away from there out in California as well. And you talked about the 30,000. 30,000 people, about the size of Fairfax, the city of Fairfax. So just put that in perspective and context. Yes. All right. Annie, thank you very much.